Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. Today I received my Lookfantastic beauty box for the month of February and this is what it looks like. As you can tell, it's Valentine's Day themed. This month's box is red and the back is pink. It is so gorgeous. And in gold it says Lookfantastic. So I wanted to unbox this for you guys on camera. A little background about these beauty boxes: you can subscribe to Lookfantastic. You can receive these boxes every month. There's about 5 to 6 beauty products in here and it's usually a surprise. So I'm very excited to see what they have for Valentine's Day. If you guys wanted to subscribe to the beauty box, I will leave a link down below in my description box. So make sure you guys check it out. And also I want to do a giveaway for you guys. If you guys want to win the January beauty box from Lookfantastic, then all you guys have to do is subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below telling me if you guys are big Valentine's Day fans or if you guys are anti-Valentine's Day, and let me know what your plans are for Valentine's Day. I will be celebrating Valentine's Day with my husband for 3 years in a row. Before that, I had never had a Valentine, so he definitely is my one and only Valentine for the rest of my life. So I have not planned anything yet, but maybe we'll go out for dinner and have a non-alcoholic drink because I'm pregnant, obviously. And we'll just see where the night goes. So let me know what you guys are planning to do for Valentine's Day. If it's going to be with your loved one, or maybe your girls, you guys are going to go out for a few cocktails or just Netflix and chill at home, which is totally cool as well. So make sure you guys leave me a comment and subscribe and like this video to enter the giveaway. This is what January's box looks like. It is so beautiful, so make sure you guys enter, and I will be choosing a winner randomly on February the 12th, right before Valentine's Day. So make sure you guys come back to my channel to find out who the winner is. Now let's jump right into the unboxing. Let's see what we have here. So this is what the February Lookfantastic beauty box looks like. Let's open this up. They always have beautiful quotes or definitions inside the box. This month it says Miraki, and that means doing something with soul, creativity, or love. That is so cute. This is what it looks like inside the box. We have the Elle magazine, which you always get every month. And we have these gorgeous women on the cover. So I love to flip through this and get some fashion inspiration or see what new beauty products are coming out. If you guys have a long commute to work or school, I love taking these on my tube journeys and just flipping through because it has a whole load of inspiration. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. It has this beautiful pink tissue paper. I always hate ripping it. I'm gonna just pick out something randomly out of the box, and the first thing we have here is a Caudalie Vino Source, what is it? Thirst Quenching Serum. You get this 10 milliliter bottle, or tube I should say, and it's really handy for if you're traveling. And I always like trying these travel size products so I can see if I like the product before I buy the full size. So I'm definitely going to give this a go. This is going to be super handy for me because my skin is super dehydrated right now. So hopefully this thirst quenching serum does the job and hydrates my skin. And I absolutely love Caudalie products. I love how it comes in this little tiny squeezy tube. So it's super hygienic. I'm super excited about the next item because I have heard loads of good things about it. And I'm talking about the Dr. Pawpaw Multi-Purpose Smoothing Balm with Natural Pawpaw. And it's mostly for your lips, but I think it says you can use it all over your skin. I have heard such good things about this. People have been raving about it. It's supposed to be a very hydrating chapstick. It comes in this little tube and there's 10 milliliters of product in here. So I'm going to squeeze some out. Ooh, got some on my nose. I put some on my finger here just to feel the texture. It's a very thick consistency and it does not have a smell whatsoever. Yeah, nothing. It kind of feels like petroleum jelly. So I'm definitely going to use this and see what the hype is all about. Next up, we have the Trifle Cosmetics Sugar Pear Sublime Lip Scrub. I have a feeling Lookfantastic is trying to give us kissable lips for Valentine's Day, which I don't mind whatsoever because who doesn't like smooth lips, right? So this is a lip scrub and I actually have never tried a lip scrub. Can you believe it? I have always thought of making my own lip scrub and trying it out, but who has got time for that, right? So I'm excited to pamper my lips and use this and get rid of that dead skin right before Valentine's Day. Once again, it comes in this squeezy bottle. I'm going to squeeze some out just to give it a smell. Oh my gosh. Smells so good. Smells like brown sugar mixed with, smells like candles. Brown sugar candle. and it has a very gentle exfoliating texture. It's not too gritty. I want to taste it. It feels really nice. Moving on to the next product, we have the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is super fancy. I have heard loads and loads of good things about Elemis. I have never tried any of the products from them, but I heard it's very fancy and I know it's supposed to really target anti-aging. This is an anti-wrinkle day cream, so this is just what I need. And there is 15 milliliters of product in here. These trial sizes last me for about a week, so I'm good to go on day cream for the next week, which is awesome. We have another skincare product here, and it's by the brand Filorga. And I am very familiar with this brand because I have loads of things that I use currently from this brand, and I can testify that it's amazing. But I have never tried this product from Filorga. It is the Miso Mask, and it's a smoothing radiating mask, which is perfect. I love a little bit of glow, if you guys didn't know. I definitely like pampering myself with a little mask. I already know Filorga products work really good on my skin. I have no skin issues using their products, so I might use this tonight, and hopefully it's as amazing as the rest of the products I've tried. Last up is a makeup product. Yay! Who doesn't love makeup, right? So we have here is a Pear Shimmer Roll, and you can use this on your face, body, and eyes. It's one of those roll-on glitter balls, so you can just put it on wherever you like, on your eyes, on your skin, maybe on your cheeks, just to give you a highlight. Ooh, I like that. And just dab it out. And it's a beautiful gold color as well, so you can use that pretty much everywhere. And it's called Champagne. Love it. It is so beautiful. You can even put it on your collarbone, just over here, just to give you that beautiful glow on Valentine's Day. You could also use this in your inner corner just to give you that highlight. Let's give it a try. How does that look, guys? I can't see. As you can see, it brings more light towards your eyes, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna woo your partner. So that's the last thing inside the box. We have reached the end of the box, and I absolutely love all the products inside the February beauty box. So if you guys want to purchase one of your own, make sure you guys head to the link in my description box, and you can get a whole year's subscription, and I believe it's only £13 a month. So you can't beat that. You get all these wonderful products to try out. So think of it as a gift to yourself, because you all deserve it. And make sure you guys don't forget to enter the giveaway. Just leave me a comment and subscribe and like this video to enter, and I will let you guys know the winner by next week. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in my next one.